What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a Super Mario Crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started on the right side of our page and draw a circle for the nose. So we start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. And then we'll layer the visor in behind the nose. Let's start on the top left, curve the visor going up, and then back down on the right, and then we'll round out the sides. Going back to the left side, go out, and then in, do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a curve going in behind the nose. So we come down, and then in, continue on the right side, going out and up. Let's add that shadow going across the bottom of the visor. We start on the top left, come down, bend that in behind the nose, continue on the right, going out and up. Now I'm going to draw the mustache underneath the nose and visor. Let's start on the bottom left, curve out, and then bend that back in. Go to the right side, go out and in. Now I'm going to draw two more curves coming down and up underneath the nose. Down and up. Do that one more time. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the brim of the hat. Let's start on the left corner of the visor. I'm going to curve this up, and then bend that down over on the right side. Let's round out the brim and then pull that in towards the right side of the visor. Let's go back over towards the left side, curve the hat, coming down and then up. And I'm going to round out the back of the hat. Starting out here, go out, up, and then bend that in. Let's draw on the front of the hat. Starting back on the left, curve this up. I'm going to go across, down, and then in on the right side of the brim. Now I'm going to draw the Mario symbol on the right side of the hat. Starting from the top, let's start with a circle. Going all the way around, and then back up. And then from the left and right side, draw a straight angled line coming in towards the middle, and back up on the right. Now from the top, we're just going to angle down and out towards the bottom of that circle. Let's flatten off the bottom, coming down and in with a short line. And we'll trace the M along the inside, going up, and then pull that down towards the center point. Now I'm going to move over and draw the left side of the body. Let's start underneath the hat. Just going to curve the body going out, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go underneath the mustache on the right side, come down, and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start on the left, curve down and up on the inside. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right, but leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left leg, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and then we'll curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right leg, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now I'm going to move back out and draw the backpack on the left side. Just underneath the hat, start with a curve going out and then down. Come down towards the bottom, curve out and then up. Connect the top and bottom with the same curve of the body, going out, down, and then in. Let's draw the strap and buttons. We're going to start in the center of the body with a circle, all the way around. Now let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Just going to pull this up towards the side of the body and back up towards the top. Let's go to the side of the circle and draw a straight line going up underneath the mustache. Go to the inside of the right circle, draw a straight line going up. And we'll draw the top edge of the pant. Let's start over on the left side. Just going to curve this down and then in behind the strap. Go in between and draw a straight line. And now we're going to move down and separate out the shoes. On the bottom left corner, step up, draw the same curve of the foot, coming in, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then finally, we're just going to add some hair on the left side. Let's start underneath the hat, come down, bend that up, come down and out towards the left side. And that's pretty much it. There's our Super Mario Crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new videos every single day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.